refresh this page, I do see the image is actually available here. Okay. Okay. All right. What this name is? Name is just the tag. Okay, so that you can actually search that with it. AMI name is you can actually search with another tag here called AMI name. So it's just got two different tags here for easy identification. Okay. So, okay, at the time of image creation, there was a reboot option as well. Okay, reboot is just to reboot, right? If in case if you want to reboot the machine, if you see the machine is irresponsive, the people are not able to go and use that one, not responsive, you want to try it out rebooting or troubleshooting it. So that's what you can do. Okay, and the option to check the reboot is, you know, in case if you don't want to stop the server, if you don't want to stop the server and then take the image, you can actually create an image and take a quick reboot as well. So which means you don't have to shut down the machine for a long time to create the image. It is gonna go and take a quick reboot, quick stop of the machine, and then create the image and return the server back to running state. Okay, that's how it is gonna be working running. All right. Okay, you lost the remote server connectivity, so you need to go and follow the same way you did earlier to connect to it. Our setup is gonna look like similar to this. Okay, so we'll be looking at this one now. Okay, we already created a web 1 server earlier, and we built that server in the zone A. Okay, and now we are going to be going and deploying one more server, but we will be using or creating or building this server from the image we have created. Okay, so and we are going to be going and building that in the zone B. So what we have done so far, we have actually created a web1 server in the zone 1, and then we have installed IIS web server on top of it. We use the custom password as well, and then converted that into a custom image, right? And now we do have a copy of it, we do have an image of it. Okay, and now we are going to be going and making use of this image to create a new server. And when I'm going to be using this image and creating a second server, I will choose that I want to go and build this server in zone B. And when we use the image to build this server in the zone B, it is going to be identical to what we have in zone A. It is automatically going to be having everything installed on it. What all do you have there on one? Okay. All right. Okay. Let's do that. Okay. Okay. And now I'm going to be giving a server name. I will call that one server 2. This is the second. Okay. Okay. So let's move here. I'm going to go and click on say I want to launch a new server here. Okay. And now I'm going to be giving a server name. I will call that one as web server 2. This is the second server which we have. Okay. All right. And then when we come here, so you will now find there's going to be one more option available to you here called My AMIs. Are you able to locate this option? Okay, very nice. I see you have some more questions, so I will take those questions in a while. Okay. Please selecting that My Web Image. Is that available for you? All right, very nice. And now we are actually going to be going and using our own custom image here. Okay, that's what we want to go and use here. Okay, so we'll make this selection. We will say I want to go and use this custom image, and it will again gonna be going and giving us an option that which model you want to go and install that image on, which key pair you want to use it, and I'm gonna go and choose that proceed without key pair. I don't want a key pair because I do have my own custom password on it. Okay, so custom key is not required. So key pair is not needed here. Okay. All right. If you did not change the password, that's fine. You will be able to use the key. Okay, that's fine. Don't worry on that. So choose the key this time. Say I want to use this key. So choose the same key which we have used earlier. Okay. So for me, this is fine. And in the network setting, we want to edit these network settings. And why we want to edit these network settings? So this time we actually want to go and put this server in a zone B because I already have a server running in the zone A. I want this server to go and run in a different zone. Okay. All right. So I'm making a selection that I want to keep this server in zone B, and that's all. For the security group, I want to use an existing firewall rule which we have created earlier. I will go and select say existing security group, and that is where the my firewall is going to show up. Let's go and consume the my firewall. All right. Okay. So changing changing this to the existing security group, and then we will go and say let's launch this instance, and we are gonna be all good. We'll be having a one more server gonna start booting up here in the second zone.